Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to enable Ready Boost in Windows 7. Insert or plug in external storage device. Now go to My Computer and right-click on the removable disk drive. Select Properties. Click on the Ready Boost tab. Select Use this device to use your device for external RAM. Then select how much of your device storage you wish to use for storage. Once you have done this, click Apply to save the changes. Click OK to close the dialog box. This is how we can enable Ready Boost in Windows 7.